you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I prepared my Jamaican curry chicken. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Also guys, please go and follow me on Instagram at Alice's_kitchen. Now let us cook. So guys, here we have our chicken pieces. I'm actually using leg and thigh quarter. I went ahead and I cut all that up. I also went and cleaned all that up. Now it's time to season that. So first I'm using 1 tablespoon of meat season. I'll also be using 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons of Better Pack curry. And I think this is a Jamaican brand. I'm not really sure, but yeah. Now you want to go in and rub all those seasons together and ensure that you're using a glove, guys, because this curry, it stains. Guys, I will be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description below, so please be sure to check that out. Last but not least, I'm going to be adding my vegetables, which includes red onions, carrot, pepper, potato, and scotch bonnet pepper. You guys can go ahead and add thyme and scallion if you guys have. I really didn't have any on hand, so I made that both those ingredients from it. Yeah, so go ahead and rub all those seasons together. Now I'm going to be marinating this for about an hour or so. You guys can go ahead and marinate this overnight if you guys do have the time. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now guys, in a skillet on medium to high heat, I'm adding 1/4 cup of canola oil, 1.25 tablespoons of curry. Now I'm going to be burning this curry. Then after, I'm going to be adding my chicken pieces. Now using a wooden spoon, I'm gonna stir that chicken, ensuring that it's not sticking to the pot, so it doesn't burn. Then I'm gonna lower the heat and allow it to cook in its own juice for about 15 minutes. So guys, I did went ahead and add a teaspoon of pimento seed. I'm sorry I did not show that, but I did. Now I allow it to cook in its own juice, and this is how it looks, guys. About 17 minutes after, look how amazing that looks. Oh, so good. Now I'm gonna be adding the vegetables and I'm gonna stir all that together. Then I'm gonna add 1.25 cups of water. Now guys, I'm gonna allow this to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes until the vegetables are cooked and the liquid have been reduced. Now guys, this is how it looks after 18 to 20 minutes. Oh my goodness, I couldn't wait to dig in. I'm gonna allow this to reduce for an additional 8 minutes or so. And this is the final product, guys. I did went ahead and serve that with basmati rice. I fried some plantain and I had some avocado left in the fridge, so I paired all that with the curry chicken. This dish was nothing short of amazing. It was so delicious, guys. I do hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos, and I love you guys so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.